Good morning guys, it is Monday morning, it is 11:30. I've just done my makeup very quickly. Would you believe me if I said I only have concealer on and everything else is powder makeup? Would you believe me? Today is Monday, like I've just said. I have an Asda order coming in like an hour or so. I do have like an outfit on. I have this flowery top from Boohoo and some jeans on, despite the fact that it's like 25,000 degrees out. There's been a slight change of plan. I'm not going to go for a walk today because the Asda's just arrived just before 1 o'clock and I need something to eat. So I may not go for a walk today. I also have to shout because I have YouTube on. La, 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 la. So it's time to put all of the water away and the rest of the food away. Hair is up, it's too warm. Do you think I got enough muffins and croissants? These are the croissants that I've been having for breakfast recently. They're chocolate croissants from Asda. They are amazing. They are so nice. But I also got blueberry muffins for the mother, although I do like them. And I fancied some triple chocolate muffins. Like, look how good they are. Oh, they look so good. And then I got my normal choc chip muffins. This broken up in custard is amazing. Yes, I am changed. I just got back into my pajamas because it's way too warm. Hair is up, I'm looking a mess. I may go outside and do some gym while it's nice. I just need to put these muffins away actually, to be fair. Realistically, it's 1 o'clock, I do need to make myself something to eat. So I may do that and watch a few videos on YouTube. I'm having a bit of a binge watch of urban exploring abandoned videos at the moment because I'm a bit of a history nerd, and some of these videos that I'm watching are pretty intense and amazing, and I'm plugging them by watching them like constantly. I'm like binge watching. I may also bake today, possibly. I'm still rendering my video for tomorrow, Tuesday. It's all going on, it's all happening. But for lunch, I'm having a bag of Snacker Jacks. These are the sour cream and chive flavour, I believe. And some fried chicken wrap. Oh. It's too warm today, way too warm. But bird water bath duty must commence. Put some more water in this little tub. Ooh, getting blinded by my hair. So they have a little bird bath, bird water bottle situation. But no, it's actually a really nice day. But you know me, I avoid the sun like I avoid the plague. So I treat them back indoors. Waking up to packages like this is honestly the best thing ever. This is from QVC and obviously it's OPI, so it's nails, and it's like a collaboration with Grease. And if you know me, Grease is my all-time favourite film. So tell me about it, stud. Love it. So if I just, it's a magnetic box, which I absolutely adore. I love the packaging on this. Da, 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 da. Don't know what that was. Get the book out, and basically we have, I'm dropping everything. So we basically have 6 nail colours, and then we have a strengthener, I believe. Yeah, a strengthener. So this is basically your base coat, and then we have 6 different colours. So this one is, if I can get it out with one hand, this one is Was It Just a Dream? Super cute little mint green shade. Then the lavender shade. I can't get these out one-handed, just wait. After fetching them all out, this lavender shade is called Frenchie Like to Kiss. Really cute lavender lilac shade. It's all pastel shades. And then you have a pastely pink, baby pink shade, and this one's called Pink Ladies Rule the School. Definitely. Then we have this gorgeous pastel peach, and this is called Hopelessly Devoted to OPI. Cute. Very summer. Then we have a hot pink. This is called You're the Shade That I Want. You're the one that I want. You want. Yep. I won't start singing, don't worry. And then finally we have a really gorgeous vibrant red, and this is called Tell Me About It Stud, which was the one on the cover. So that's the entire collection, and it's so cute. So I'm just outside enjoying the sun, even though the Met office, oh my god, suggests to stay out of the sun because it has like, it's the worst heat wave so far of 2018, but it's reasonably quite cool. Well, at least it feels kind of cool. I'm pale, I'm transparent, I need some sort of tan to me other than my freckles, which is realistically the only pigment that my skin has, to be fair. Hello, good morning, hi, afternoon. It's now Wednesday and I'm not really in like an eating mood. I've lost my appetite once again because of the heat, thank you so much. But I thought while I'm not hungry, I could try and make myself hungry. So I'm gonna bake some muffins. So this is the recipe if you wanna screenshot it and do it yourself. So this is gonna be like cooking with Jess, and honestly I look so rough. Yes, I'm wearing a long sleeve top because I can, okay? It's actually kind of cool in the house right now. But let's be real, as soon as I turn the as soon as I turn the oven on, I'm gonna die. So first things first is to preheat the oven to 190 Celsius or fan 170 Celsius or gas mark 5. Well, we run gas here, so it's gonna be gas mark 5. Second, mist a frying pan with cooking spray and put on a medium heat. Fry the bacon for 2 minutes. Turn occasionally until golden, then remove from heat and set aside. Okay. It does say chopped up bacon medallions, but I already have them like kind of chopped up for me, so you know. You need 100 grams of bacon. So before I put them in to the frying pan, I'm just going to weigh out 100 grams. 100 grams worth of bacon. If you are vegan or vegetarian or anything like that, I'm so sorry. While that's frying, into a large bowl, combine the flours. So you want plain flour and wholemeal, which is leaking everywhere apparently. Into a large bowl with baking powder, bicarb, and then season. 125 grams of plain flour into the mixing bowl. 125 grams into the bowl as well. Then you want 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then you're going to be needing half a teaspoon of bicarb. And because I can't get into these things because of my nails, I'm having to do it that way. And then just kind of mix it all together. So now into a separate bowl, beat together the cooled melted spread, which we have here. Two large eggs, 200 millilitres of milk, 75 grams of low-fat cheese, and then add to the dry ingredients which we have in here, and then mix well with the bacon, the tomatoes, and then the chives. So once you have this doughy like consistency, you then want to mix in the bacon. So I'm just going to mix the bacon and the tomatoes in first, and then I'm going to add the chives in after I've mixed all this in. So your mixture should look something like that. Doesn't look appetizing right now, but hopefully it will look appetizing once it's all done. Now divide the mixture between the muffin cases and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until risen and golden. So you want to cook this for 35 minutes. This mixture does make 9 muffins, so let's stick this into the muffin cases. I do have a little bit extra, so I have just made one extra. Now it's just a case of putting these in for 20 to 35 minutes or until they are golden and risen, and then I'll catch you in about half hour's time. Let's have a look at the... Oh my god, they look so good. And just like that, we have 10 savoury breakfast muffins. I will put the recipe down below if you want the recipe, or you can screenshot it from the previous segment. It's been a minute since I've worn heavy makeup like this, but I just thought I'm in the mood to do something with my eye makeup, so I've just gone purple, pinks, orange and a nude lip. Simple. I've also woken up to a parcel. It's like, just ignore that. It is 12:30 and I have just finished doing my makeup, but I did wake up to a parcel, so I'm going to show you that right now. I awkwardly kind of forgot what I had ordered, so when parcels turn up like this, it's like Christmas, because I generally forgot what I ordered, and then I opened it, I was like, now I remember what I've ordered, and now I'm going to show you what I've ordered. It's all, let's move this out of the way. Basically, because the living arrangement's changed, I have to leave my ring light down here, which is kind of annoying. I have YouTube on in the background as well, if that's what you can hear. But all of this is skincare. Yeah. Are you intrigued what's in the box? You're going to come and say hello to the peoples? Or do you want my box? No? So this is the contents of the box that I completely forgot that I ordered. But basically I got a new beauty blender. This isn't the actual beauty blender, this is a Real Techniques one. I prefer these to the beauty blenders. And they are a lot cheaper as well. Do the exact same thing and they're a lot cheaper. Thank you so much. Next I got was some e.l.f. Hydrogel under eye masks. I really do like these so much. They don't really like depuff my eyes or anything like that, but they just hydrate the under eye situation. I got some nail files because your girl needs to get her nails done, but I'm going to do them myself this time. I'm feeling brave. I'm feeling a challenge, so I'm going to try and do them myself. Otherwise, I'll just have to wait until I see Jess. This turned up. Didn't order it, but as you can see, there's no like invoice in the box. They don't send invoices with parcels anymore, so I'm going to have to try and send that back tomorrow. Somehow. I got this Sanctuary Spa 5-minute thermal charcoal detox mask. I love trying new mud masks out, and I need a new mud mask because I've run out. So hi. Carrying on with the mask theme, this is a T-Zone silver peel off mask. It's basically for blackheads and all that gunky stuff. Going back to the fact that I need to get my nails done, I've got this Essie Grow Stronger base coat. Basically, because I've had acrylics on for so long, my nails are so weak, so I need a nail strengthener. And then I've got this gel nail polish. I have seen Jess do my nails so many times, so I kind of get the gist on what I'm doing. So, like I said, I'm feeling a challenge, so I'm going to try and do that tomorrow night. And then I just got 2 sheet masks, the Moisture Bomb mask and the Pure Charcoal mask from Garnier. You know I love these sheet masks, so obviously I had to buy some more. We finally have rain and it's bliss. Oh, finally! God! I've had to close the windows because it was coming in so hard. It's not every day you see a rainbow, so when you do, you make the most of it. So pretty. Welcome to another day that is called the Sweatbox in the UK. Yes, I am very well. I have a really awkward tan line. I can't be bothered to do the rest of my makeup. I got to this point and I was like, no. So I put some lipstick on just, I look awful, okay? I look awful. I have the entire day and pretty much half the night to myself. I have the house to myself, so it's gonna be like, probably like a pamper day. Do you know what I mean? In the heat, although it is forecasted to thunderstorm like hell later, so I'm looking forward to that. But I'm just going to mention quickly the foundation that I am wearing is this L'Oreal Bonjour Nudista, don't know, can't speak French. Awakening Skin Tint, and I got the shade Light. From a distance it actually looks It actually looks really good, but then I look in the mirror and it's actually not the greatest. It has, obviously with it being a skin tint, it's not going to be like full coverage. It's just meant to give you a little bit of a sheen, some sort of a coverage to make you look a little bit better about yourself, a little bit more of a brighter look. But I don't know if it's because of the heat or if it's because of how I've applied it, or the fact that I'm like a sweaty mess. Let's be real, everybody is in the UK. So if you say you are not a sweaty mess in the UK, you are lying. But it's kind of like balled up in places. Around my nose it's kind of broken up, around my chins it's kind of broken up. But I don't know if it's because I've set it, because once I actually put the foundation on, skin tint, moisturiser on, it was perfectly fine. It only started to like ball up and break away as soon as I started to set it with my Laura Geller powder. So I don't know if it's that, if it's because of the heat, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I have the entire house to myself for today and it's bloody warm out. Bloody warm. The sweaty mess has returned. I forgot to say something about that foundation, which has literally just hit me right now. It is, even though it's balling up on me, it's breaking up on me, and that's probably because I'm already like hot and sweaty when I'm applying it, and I've probably applied it wrong. I'll keep trying it. But despite all that, it does feel so lightweight. It feels like skin. It doesn't feel like I've got makeup on at all. So I would suggest this foundation if you're on a budget. This was £10, I believe. If you are on a budget, I would suggest this for the summer. If not, I would highly recommend the Benefit one, which was like £25.50. So there is a big £15.50, like, you do you. It's ridiculously dark now. It's only 6 PM. Look how dark the sky is. Oh my god. Naturally, the first round of this thunderstorm is over with. Right now I am seeing blue sky, but in the back, like if I was to look out the other rooms, it's still pitch black, pitch dark, cannot see anything. But I am changing my nail colour. I did say earlier on in this vlog that I was going to do that, so I am just acetoning this gel nail polish off. Jess, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. You're probably cringing at me right now because I'm not doing this properly, and the fact that my bronzer is literally got a line through it because your girl's a sweaty mess still. Back with what is my hair doing? But yeah, it's very later on in the day. It's 10 PM. We've had 2 thunderstorms. The weather has gone from 31 degrees all the way down to 19 in literally like 2 or 3 hours, which is amazing for me. I look like a sweaty mess, literally. What? I'm so sorry. But these are my nails. I think I did good considering I'm not a nail technician. So I'm happy with these. These are going to last me like 2 or 3 weeks and I'll probably change them again. Probably, I don't know. But I have been doing my nails, honestly, for so long. My TV's on in the background, so you can no longer see me either because I have no lights on downstairs because I've been upstairs. But because I've been doing my nails for so long, 2 hours literally. Wow, I'm really shiny. I've been doing my, hello. I know, she'll be home soon. The cat wants mum home. Because I've been doing my nails for so long, 2 hours, I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna make myself a jack potato right now, and I know for a fact that my neighbours are like outside, so I'm just not gonna vlog that. Just, it's awkward.